I've dealt with chronic pain since I was about 16 years old. I was a competitive gymnast, dancer, and baton twirler. I took a bad fall when I was 17, but I had back pain prior to that.
For sciatic nerve, so once you come under it,
I started having severe sciatic pain that just wasn't going away. I couldn't drive. I was in the car for 10 minutes, and that's the max I could do. So it was very difficult doing anything. Tightness, though, still a lot of tightness.
Okay, where do you feel the tightness?
Down the hamstrings.
Got it. Both
Back
sides.
of the legs, yep. And in the, I guess, piriformis area.
Yep,
Yeah,
good.
right there.
Okay. 95, what do you feel?
It's a lot of tightness.
Tightness.
It actually starts here,
In the glute.
and then it goes in the back, and then it goes to my big toe.
Got it. And if I do this, let me do it, don't you do it? It's better, worse?
Yeah, worse.
Okay.
Right there, right there.
Okay. 94, what do you feel?
Same thing, tightness. This one's more on the inside, actually.
Okay.
And then it goes, but it's also on this side, and it goes to the big toe.
Just the big toe, okay. And that makes it worse?
Yeah.
Got it.
I felt the tightness, I kept saying to people, I feel like my hamstring's gonna break, like it's gonna snap, but it's not my hamstring.
I check in our sciatic nerve track, just being a little bit more detailed as to where. So I want to acknowledge this. Tendon's thicker, so I'm going to acknowledge and respect this. I know I need to treat this today as well. Feeling some tone on this tibial nerve here. Tissue starts to soften up over here. And when the tissue softens up, I'm finding better access into that same nerve. There's more tone on this side of my thumb, so I'm going to check the nerve medially now. And probably a little something there, but I'm just going to take a note of that in my head. I'm not going to move forward with that. I'm feeling hypertonicity at plantaris. So now I want to explore that a little bit better. And I'm just tracing this nerve up. Still a branch of the tibial nerve, but I want to feel which side has the most access. I'm paying attention at when the tissue starts to really become really toned and it gets dirty and foggy in here. This is more ham junction, but it feels toned. I feel like it's caused by something in here, in this area. Now it's just about finding the best spot. So if I feel the tibial nerve here on the edge of my finger, doesn't want to move on this where my thumb is. Now the goal is to get under it. Now I need to find a spot where my thumb can fit to get under that same nerve and bow superiorly. And I feel an opening in here. So what's my idea? The idea is I treat this and it starts to relax a little bit more, and then I find another spot to continue to relax the tension she's having. Can you relax this leg, please? Do a slight dorsiflexion, please. Yep, come back. So before she even did the full dorsiflexion, I felt it increase the tension. So I'm gonna come in this angle. Goal is not to pull any skin. So instead of going straight down like this, notice how I'm on the curvature of this crease. I'm coming on this angle versus that angle. Tension is coming here. Go ahead, dorsiflex and extend, please. Extend her knee. Said the word extend funny. Oh. Good. Let's call that moderate. Started to ramp up a lot towards the end.
Right.
Tibial nerve at proximal plantaris. And the top part of this started to relax, but this distal part of plantaris is still hypertonic. So that just shows me something else needs to relax, needs to get treated. Now we're on this tibial nerve still. We're just coming a little more distal, and I'm feeling something in here. Same coming, bringing my dev side posterior towards me. The nerve is there, tensioning, coming right next to it. Dorsiflex, please. And then extend her knee. Awesome. Keep going. Whoa, felt that. That was gnarly. Good. Just felt a bunch of the tissue just start just collapsing in my hands. I mean, I guess it's a nice way to say it. It was like tibial nerve at the proximal gastrocs. Moderate to severe. This is relaxed a lot, but now I'm curious as to what else could be causing this tone. So there's superficial nerves that live over here that I need to see. This one just do leg extension. Go ahead. Good. I think that was a PF cut nerve at the post knee on the medial side. Could be the obturator nerve. Cutaneous. Let's call that moderate. This is better. This is even better too. There's still tone over here in this FHL I'm feeling. Axis is better on that medial side still. Dorsiflex, please. Dorsey. Good. Yep. Keep going. Good. Percentage better on the right? Or did you say
Percentage better is probably about 10% better than the left. The right leg feels like lighter.
where would you say the right side is at, 0 to 10?
It's like a 6 now.
Or is it more in the glute or more
The tightness, yeah, it's more up here, going down here now.
the left side? Where's the most tightness on the left side?
Right in here.
That's where you feel the most tightness.
Yeah.
Just standing here?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's increasing when I go forward, but.
Sounds good. And then the straddle position, when you're sitting in that straddle, 0 to 10 on that left side.
On the left, that's like an 8.
I'm going to Shockwave for right Achilles tendon before I move on to the left side. This was ruptured a couple years ago. And, you can see how thick the tendon is and the scar tissue around it. So that's why we work hard on cleaning up our sciatic nerve and making sure this is healthy. But also I need to shockwave the tendon because this wasn't taken care of in the beginning. So this can ultimately rip again. So we want to make sure we're ahead of it. And she's gotten good relief after doing this and shockwaving the tendon. So it doesn't get any worse. I don't have any x-rays on this, but you can just feel the thickness and the degeneration in that tendon. So last time we did this, it felt and it looked smaller and it was smoother. Yep, we're gonna hold it like this, okay? Tendon, yep, the tendon needs to get loaded, that's why we're doing it like this. You okay? Can you put right Achilles tendon with lockout? You okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go a little bit lower, so it's gonna get a little more sensitive, okay? Thank you. It was a 6 standing. Did that change to 6 standing here?
Yes.
0 to 10. Right side only?
Right side only, like a 5?
5. And when you touch your toes on the left, you're feeling it more here or in the back?
It's actually, it starts right here. Right here, and then it crosses, and then it goes into the big toe.
Her sciatic nerve. That's what they always say. And there's, if you look at the superficial tissue, it's soft, but once you come under it, this is super tight.
Yes,
It doesn't want to
that's it.
move. It's a little better to feel up here. But over here, it's literally like a rock. So let's see if it pulls. So this definitely lengthens that. Hold this. You try it. A little bit forward.
This one?
Yep, come back. That pulls. Go ahead.
The whole thing?
Yep, come back. Again, please. Good, come back. Okay, there's depth. Nerve is here. Tension right in that angle. Go ahead. P. Drop that leg down, please. Slowly. Good. Distal sciatic nerve and external rotators.
What?
Distal sciatic nerve and external rotators. Hip flexion, please. Externally rotate. Good.
Yeah.
Superior gluteal nerve on the right, left side, excuse me. Severe. Go ahead. Externally rotate, yep. Good. 2 passes. Go ahead. Drop the hip down. Yep. Good. Go ahead. Drop that leg down to the floor. Good. Hip flexion. Go ahead. Greg is trying to get this angle.
Oh. Ah.
There it is. Good. That was 2 passes in that PF cut nerve.
Oh, there we go.
How's the left side, 0 to 10?
Just standing?
Sure. Let's start with
Just standing's like a 6.
6.
Yeah.
How's the glute when you go touch your toes?
It's like a 7, but I'm a lot farther.
7 out of 10 tightness, but what are you feeling the most?
Where I feel it the most?
Mhm.
Believe it or not, here.
Nice. Feeling it mainly at that left calf. Pulling, stretching,
Pulling.
pulling. 0 to 10.
That's like a 6.
6 out of 10. Awesome. Do your straddle for me, please. and then right down straddle here.
My expectations have been exceeded already. My main thing was to get rid of the sciatic pain. I couldn't deal with the sciatic pain. And that's been gone for a month and a half now. And so my expectations were exceeded. And now we're going beyond where I was expected.